What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to create AI-powered theme pages today. As you can see, we just started this one for Behind the Bet, which is for Rhythm AI. One of the biggest hacks right now, if you are a startup owner, if you have your own product, is creating theme pages that are in your niche that kind of funnel back to whatever your product or service is. So we're going to be doing kind of the top betting stories of all time. We posted this one yesterday, all organically, right? We're going to probably do, hopefully 1 to 2 of these a day, but I'm going to show you in this video how to make all of these super easy, super simple. They're also blowing up on TikTok right now, right? These things are printing money for folks. So I just want to take you through how to actually set one of these up realistically, not like some guru that's going to sell you some stupid course on it. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to walk you through how to build one of these. So first off, because we're doing sports betting, I just went to ChatGPT and asked for kind of a legendary, sports story. And it gave me this one, which is cool. And then I asked it to format, one into, a paragraph or stanza format. And it came up with this, but we actually used this one yesterday, so it's kind of funny. Ideally, if you set this up as like an AI agent, you want to tell it to review ideas to make sure that they have not previously been used. So you could set up a database for that, and maybe that's a whole separate video. But I asked him to change it up and come up with another one, and we came up with this Patriots one, which is awesome. I just had to give it more details, ended up being a little too long, and so ultimately ended up with this nice paragraph here. So all we're going to do from here, this is all you have to do. Just take this, throw it into 11 Labs, and generate the speech. We already have the speech.
The year was 2008. The New England Patriots were 18.
Which is perfect. So at this point, we're just going to download this, and now we have our music. 11 Labs is also free up into 3,000 credits, and as you can see here, I am far away from even getting through this for the month, which is awesome. So you can create these totally for free. Now for the video, like how do you actually make these? And again, this is like an AI theme page that's like clipping, right? So how do you use clips to do this? So you're just gonna go to YouTube now, and honestly, kind of just a hack for when you're creating the script, you wanna have like a specific event. In this case, because it's like the Super Bowl in 2008, we can easily look up 2008 Super Bowl highlights. That's exactly what we did. But if you can focus in on a single event, that'll allow you to get everything you need footage-wise in one video. So we got this nice link here to this video right here. It's 2 minutes long from the NFL, and we are downloading it at this point in time from this YouTube downloader. So while that is being established and getting up and running, we're going to open CapCut up here, and we are actually going to then drag in our 11 Labs audio. Here it is.
The year was 2008.
Perfect. We're going to put the aspect ratio for Twitter, or not Twitter, only I guess for Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. And then we're going to just download this video. Sometimes you got to deal with all these stupid pop-ups. You just kind of got to blow through them. If you're on a Mac, they're not going to put any viruses on you. Like, you'll be fine. So, oh shoot. I think I accidentally downloaded, we have the MP3 for this. We want the actual video, so we'll go back here to this. And oh, I actually did click the wrong one. So there we go. We'll click the video. So it's just going to retrieve it now for us. Again, I'm using yt1d.com. And then here we go, here we go, here we go. That's perfect. Awesome. 720p, which is like all right quality. We're going to end up putting a canvas on the background, so it's not full screen, so it looks like a lot better than it would otherwise. But yeah, that's pretty much the extent of the process. We're going to wait to show up in our downloads now. So here it is somewhere. Actually, this is the file. I think it's just still kind of loading in here. There it is. We're going to just drag that guy in. Beautiful. And now we're just going to make this a little bit bigger. And then if I'm doing this on desktop, but you can do this on your phone too, which is the best part. So you can do this entire process from your iPhone. We're going to go, actually not enhance video. If you click video here, go down to the bottom and hit canvas. So we're looking for canvas. Do you guys see canvas anywhere? Canvas. Actually, sorry, let's click out of this. We'll come back, see if we find canvas. Motion blur, that's not it. Relight. Whoa. Oh shoot, where's canvas? Maybe it's on mask? Remove background? Oh shoot, I don't know. Well anyways, we'll want to give this kind of like a nice canvas background. So maybe it's just the fill channel. No, it's not the fill channel. Basic. I love that we get to do this together, guys. Camera tracking, motion blur. I don't think it's motion blur. Auto reframe. How funny. Usually it's just typically like right here. Anyways, for the time being though, we're just going to, make sure that our video here is aligned timeline wise with the video clip. And I actually somehow got that like pretty much perfect. Maybe like a split second more. Maybe like just like a split second more. There we go. Perfect. We're going to turn the audio off on this guy. And then we'll click here. And I wonder, it's got to be like mask or something. Retouch? Not retouch. It used to just be right here, guys. You could like go back. No blend. Optical flow, stabilize image quality, relight, auto frame, camera tape, canvas. Why is this? How did we miss this? It's right here. It's at the very bottom. So just hit blur, guys. You'll turn the canvas on, and then from there, we'll just add our auto captions. So I will just say, I'll preface this before even doing this. At this point in time, I would just download this and put it on CapCut Mobile on your phone, because CapCut, for some reason on desktop, just absolutely stinks at missing these captions. Like it'll have like gaps sometimes. Don't know why. It's very randomized, but that's all we're gonna do. Lastly, we're just gonna fix the animation to be. I'm just obsessed with like the one at a time.
Escaping a near sack.
And then we will go ahead and make the text the font that we want. In this case, we'll just use like classic or something. And then the effects, because I have Canva Pro, we can use kind of like just like a simple one. I'm thinking just give it kind of like a darkish background. There we go. It's like it's highlighted there. And actually, I don't really like the text on this. Let's see if they have like Havelic. It's probably not how you spell it. No. There we go. That's the exact font we want. And now we are just going to highlight all these guys, and we're going to just move it into the middle of the screen here. And we can make this a little bit bigger. And maybe if you guys want, we can actually move the text like just like there. And that's our entire video. So now we can like take a look at this. We can preview it.
The year was 2008. The New England Patriots were 18-0, steamrolling their way toward the first perfect 19-0 season in NFL history. Brady, Moss, Belichick. A record-breaking offense.
So that's really good. I mean, I would just call this like 19-0. Like, you got to go spell it in there. So if it gets to records, you can honestly just come back. You can actually come back here and you can actually say like, hey, since we're using an AI voiceover for the scores, can you write them out verbally? And so ChatGPT will then give us like an update script. So the years were 18-0. Yeah, there you go. So that's like all you need. So just paste this into 11 Labs. You're good to go. And that's pretty much all you have to do, guys. Just generate a script in ChatGPT, put it in 11 Labs, download a YouTube video with the highlights, merge it all in CapCut, and now you can post this. Now, what I would recommend doing before you pay the money to go set up an AI agent that'll do this, maybe test some for like 7 to 14 days. Again, you can easily make like 3 to 4 of these a day if you even wanted to. I wouldn't do more than that. But that's exactly, how I would do it in this case. Super simple, super easy. Hope it helped. Leave any comments you got down below. As always, if you are looking for more AI agents, there's a link to our newsletter. We give away free AI agents every single day that you can build. It's the top trending ideas. So grab one there if you'd like. And as always, you can always join our free AI Discord community. Hope it helps, guys, and talk to you later.